Very good morning. So your exams is starting from tomorrow. Let's discuss some of the important questions for geography January 2025 paper, the paper that were held. There were many questions based on match list. So here are few of those that we would practice. Of course, these kind of questions, for example, this question requires a rote memorization, but still some of them are really popular and you must be familiar with those. So Muqaddimah was one of the works of Ibn Khaldun, and the correct match here is Ibn Khaldun. Now Khaldun actually takes this somewhere in 1377, and this was a viewpoint on universal history. Cosmos was the work by Alexander Humboldt, one of the very important works of German creators, and this was mainly published in 5 volumes over a period of time from 1845 to 1862. Right? Then we have Almagest by Ptolemy, another very important work. Now this was initially composed in Greek, and then there was talks about the apparent movement of stars, the trajectories of the planet that have been discussed in the Almagest. The next one is Imagine Mundi. Now this is a work by Peri D. Ely, and this is a work which talks about imagine of the world. Now this talks about the contemporary medieval knowledge regarding the earth, heaven, universe, and brings in the sources from Ptolemy, from Aristotle, from Bible, and from Islamic content, right? So this is an amalgamation, we could say, of the work which has been done by Peri D. Ely. Now the next question is the various ways under which transportation happens and what is the meaning. So solution means simply dissolved, so we can say solution goes with a chemical load which is dissolved. Now this is, as you can see, solution which is dissolved. Suspension remains suspended. Okay, but suspension is not asked. The next is saltation. So saltation, as you can see, is the heavy particles which move along the river bed is what is called as saltation, as you can see here. And then is traction. So traction is the heaviest material rolled along the bed, and you can see the very heavy materials are simply rolling along the bed of the floor, right? So this is what is traction. And flotation is which is on the surface, so it is carried by the surface of the river, as simple as that. So some of the terms, even if you have a basic awareness of general English, you would be able to solve it. The next is an important question. Now this question talks about the dynamic theory of tides was propounded by, so the correct answer here is Laplace. Laplace actually was a French mathematician and physicist, and he considered some of the aspects related to the rotation of the earth, related to Coriolis force and the impact of continental boundaries, and based on that he gave what is known as the famous dynamic theory of tide. So Laplace is the right answer. Now this differs from other theories, of course, which talk about multiple factors which are mainly related to gravitation of sun and moon, but this theory is more based on equilibrium and talks about the rotation, the Coriolis force, the configuration of the oceans, to the very basics. The next is the major volcanoes and the country in which they are. So Eyjafjallajökull is one of the volcanic eruptions in Iceland, and this is one of the very famous stratovolcano which is covered by the glaciers. St. Helena is in United States on the west coast, Vesuvius is in Italy, and Pinatubo is in Philippines. Now Pinatubo erupted somewhere in 1991, and this was one of the largest eruption that was witnessed in 20th century, and it led to huge amount of ash and sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere, and this was one of the very important volcanic eruptions because it led to global temperature drop when it erupted. Pictures for more detail. Now which of the following are kind of coffees? 3 of the coffee species are the most important one. Liberica, Arabica and Robusta are the most important ones, and indeed the 3 major varieties of coffee. Darjeeling is a tea found in India. Oolong is a tea found in China. So the last 2 ones are the varieties of tea, and the first 3 ones are the varieties of coffee. Now Liberica is mainly found in Philippines, Malaysia, Indonesia. Arabica is found in India, Brazil, Colombia, Ethiopia, and then you have the Robusta, which is again found in different areas. Now the next is which of the following model of is not related to migration models. Very, very important question. Now the first confusion that the students would have here is the choice 4. It says integrating migrant model. Now the name migrant itself is there, so 90% of the students would think that this is a correct answer. However, it is not. Intervening opportunity, a very popular model, you are aware about it. Gravity model, again a very popular model. Now student mostly had a confusion between 1 and 4. Integrated migrating model is intentionally given as an incorrect choice because there is no such formal migration model in geographical theories or the sociological theories which have been propounded so far. Microanalytical model is, yes, related to migration because it talks about individual households, individuals focusing on income, education, job, their personal traits, choices, and aligning them with the neoclassical economic approach. So fourth is the incorrect option and a very, very tricky question. The next is the annual layers of silt and clay which is deposited at the lake bottom that are subject to freezing in winter and thawing in summer is known as wars. Now wars are classic characteristics which are usually associated with glacial lakes. So war consists of light colored summer layer of silt and darker layer of clay in the winter, and this is one of the very important characteristics which is also used to study the past environmental conditions and therefore is an important aspect of paleoclimatology and geochronology. So wars is the correct answer. Now these were some of the questions that we have discussed for your geography UGC NET. Prepare well for your upcoming examination, and if you require any practice material or reference material, the complete details are provided here. Thanks for joining in. Have a great day ahead.